Greetings from Söderviken Utsiktstorn, or how should I say it in English? Panoramic view tower. But I am for the very first time on this spot, despite having visited Björnö Nature Reserve so many times before, and it feels like I'm on top of the world here for sure. So this one is probably made to watch all the birds that are mentioned here that live in this nature reserve, but the view towards the sea is absolutely stunning. Now, I have been the previous years on that end, and not so long ago I was on that side, but then I saw this tower and I didn't come here, I don't know why. But now I am once again in Björnö, my favorite nature reserve on the sea in Värmdö, on this 27th of July, Sunday, and 25 degrees Celsius in Värmdö. I think this is the warmest ever that I have been in Värmdö. Usually it's colder here by the sea, but now it's practically the same temperature as in central Stockholm. So there are very steep stairs to get up here in this Söderviken Utsiktstorn, and let's go from one bird to another to see what you can see here. Storkrake, or in English, the goose ender, or common merganser. I really hope I pronounced that right. It can weigh between 1.2 and 2 kilos. Quite nice. I think I have seen this before, definitely. Then we have, oh, havsörn, the sea eagle. Okay, I haven't seen this one in Sweden, but I have seen it in different countries and in a zoo. I think they are very rare. They weigh 4 to 7 kilos, and they are even during the winter in Sweden. Okay, let's see what we have next. Fiskmås. Okay, I have seen them a lot. They are very they will eat your sandwich if they see you one. I think in Ireland they had issues with this, but it only weighs half kilo, and the common gull it is called, but I think we can call this seagull also as well. It's very frequent in Sweden. Then we have eider, or the common eider. I'm pretty sure I have seen this, around 2 kilograms, and it's actually here in the winter as well, in the southern Baltic Sea. Then we have skrentena, the Caspian tern in English. It says here that the oldest Caspian tern was 30 years old, and they weigh 600 to 700 grams. Okay, we have 3 more. Drillsnäppa, the common sandpiper. Here you can read more, mostly in Swedish. Here is the English. It doesn't have a weight, this one, but probably 100 grams. It looks very small. The common sandpiper. Strandskatta, okay, the oyster catcher in English. Around 380 to 520 grams, and it's staying in winter in the West Europe's coast. The oldest one was 43 years old. How is that possible? But this one is nice. I have seen it. And scarf, we have the last but not least, the cormorant. I'm really bad at the names in Swedish, but also in English. To be fair, I don't know them even in Macedonian. Okay, this one doesn't have a weight, but it says, oh, the enemy of the cormorant is the havsörnen, the sea eagle. So I guess they are in a fight. Okay. It says that they take both young and adult birds. Alright, so they are predators as such. And yeah, this was an unusual bird watching expedition, because this is Utsiktstorn. It can be for bird watching for sure. And the view is absolutely stunning. Let me show you more of the view. before I head back, or actually head to the sea. Björnö Nature Reserve, it's amazing. So to get here, it took me around 3 kilometers to walk from the closest bus stop, Björnö Nature Reserve. The bus was full on this Sunday because it's hot and it's weekend and people want to go on the beach, but most of them stayed closer to the bus stop. I think I'm the only one that went this far, because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and make sure to tune in for the beach adventure from that secluded beach spot on the rocky cliffs over there. So cheers and enjoy this wonderful view before I head out to the sea. Greetings from Söderviken, Utsiktstorn, Björnö Nature Reserve.